expanding first. Okay, thank you. Okay, when you expand a log, okay, let's say we begin with the following. All right, so here's our expression inside of a log. Okay, if we're looking to expand this, then every factor has its own log. So if you look at the factors, you have a numerical factor here, an x with a base, or an exponent with x as its base, y as its base, 2 as its base, z as its base. So you're going to have these 5 different logs as we expand this. And so just start going through. Start on the top and then work your way to the bottom. So along the top we have log base. Again, here it's a common base, so it's log base 10 of 5. It's a positive number in front because that factor is in the numerator, plus log base 10, or just common log, of x squared, plus log y cubed. Okay, so we took care of everything in the numerator. Now we move to the denominator, so minus a log of 2, and since z is also in the denominator, minus a log of z. Okay, we can continue to simplify this by bringing our powers out front in these two terms. And so our simplified answer winds up being log 5 plus 2 log x plus 3 log y minus log of 2 minus log of z. And this would be how you would express this answer. Does everybody see what those rules show as far as expanding and moving into one individual term, one log term for every factor inside your log? All right, see if you can expand the following. And just take a moment or two and see if you can expand this one on your own. Is it reconnecting for everybody? Okay. All right, as you expand this, again, just work factors in the numerator, then move down to factors in the denominator. So it's the ln of 5 is its own base, plus, because e is still in the numerator, ln of e cubed. Now we move to minus, because our next factor is in the denominator, ln of 3. Okay, so we can still simplify this. The 3 can be moved out front. ln of 5 plus 3 ln of e minus ln of 3. Okay, now, if you stopped here, you only have partial credit for this. Okay? There's one thing that you need to continue to do. Okay? Does anybody see what that is?
ln 5.
Okay, good. Well, so now let's take a look here. So what is the ln of e? Remember, the base of our log is an e here. So when you have a log base e with e on the inside, what is that equivalent to? A value of 1. So this one is really a value of 1 here. So you have ln of 5 plus 3 times 1, so just 3 minus ln of 3. You can leave the order that you write these, is that what you were thinking, is do you have to move those together? You don't necessarily. You can leave them in this order. And in fact, probably the preferred way is just leave it in the order that they appear as you move from left to right across the top. and left to right is across the denominator.